everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into something that is truly a game changer for your WhatsApp business. If you've ever wanted to grow your business without getting totally overwhelmed, you are in the right place. So let me guess, you're seeing amazing success on WhatsApp, right? You're connecting with customers, you're building your brand, but that success comes with a little problem, doesn't it? How do you keep up with every single message without getting completely buried under a mountain of chats? And that brings us to the classic dilemma. On one hand, you have manual chats. They have that personal touch, they build amazing relationships. On the other hand, you have the power of 24/7 automation for instant responses and scaling. But the big fear has always been choosing automation meant risking or migrating your trusted business number. It's felt like an impossible choice, until now. Well, that impossible choice is now officially a thing of the past. I am so excited to introduce a solution called WhatsApp Coexistence. And believe me, it is about to change everything you thought you knew about scaling on this platform. This is the big question, isn't it? What if you could have the absolute best of both worlds? The personal touch of your team and the incredible power of 24/7 automation, all coming from the same number your customers already know and trust. Well, this is WhatsApp Coexistence. It's the breakthrough that lets you keep your number active on your good old WhatsApp business app for all your manual chats, while, at the very same time, connecting it to a powerful automation platform. No more trade-offs. And let's be perfectly clear about what this means. Your number stays. The app you use every single day stays, and you stay completely in control. This is finally automation on your terms. Okay, now for the really fun part. What actually happens when you combine these two powerful forces? Let's explore the incredible new possibilities this unlocks for your business. So the magic is right here. You get to manage your important, high-touch manual conversations right alongside intelligent, automated workflows. And it's all happening seamlessly from one single phone number. It's the perfect partnership. This slide shows you exactly how it all works. As you can see, your core features like one-on-one chats and contacts are fully supported and synced. And things like voice and video calls in the app, absolutely no change at all. For broadcast lists, you just shift to using powerful, pre-approved marketing templates, which are honestly often more effective anyway. The key takeaway here is that the essential functions you rely on daily are as strong as ever. You should think of these as your new business superpowers. You can run workflows around the clock, send out beautiful marketing templates, and, this one's my personal favorite, seamlessly hand off a conversation from a bot to a human agent whenever you need to. You can manage everything from two places at once and test it all out completely risk-free. Okay, this all sounds amazing, but you're probably wondering, is this setup a huge headache? Let's talk about that, because this is where it gets even better. Seriously, forget everything you've ever heard about complicated, stressful migrations. This process was designed from the ground up to be simple, safe, and have absolutely zero downtime for your business. It really is this simple. You just connect your number through the setup flow, you get a little prompt inside your own WhatsApp business app to verify, you tap connect, and that is it. You are live. Your two worlds are instantly and securely merged. And hey, this isn't just a promise, it's built right into the official Meta framework. This process uses Meta's own secure system, which is specifically designed to let you add automation without ever having to disconnect or migrate your active account. It's officially supported and incredibly safe. So we've covered the what and the how. Now let's talk about the why. Let's look at the bigger picture and explore how this really unlocks the true potential of your business. This isn't just an update. It's the future of how businesses will communicate on WhatsApp. It's about being smarter, more efficient, and more responsive, without ever losing that essential human connection that makes you special. So, how do you access this future of communication? Well, the key that unlocks this entire coexistence experience is a powerful and intuitive platform called BotPenguin. With BotPenguin, you finally solve that initial dilemma. You can scale your conversations without sacrificing that personal touch. You keep the number your customers love, you combine the best of your team with the best of AI, and you can finally grow your business with complete confidence and efficiency. So the only question left is, are you ready to stop making compromises and start unlocking the true potential of your business on WhatsApp? If you're ready to take that next step, I've linked the full guide from BotPenguin right in the description below to walk you through everything. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights that can transform your business. I'll see you in the next one.